Alright, this is a dry ice, and this is a preview of one of my characters, JackHammer Daniels. And we're going to be looking at the hammer stance, where when he's going to turn it on, and it immobilizes him. See the little feet come out, stabilize him to the ground. Ooh, I need to disable turning. And he can't
Walk
move,
the walk.
but apparently he can still turn.
Okay, armchair general.
I guess that's cool. And he can attack, and when he's in this stance or this form, he's gonna attack 50% faster, but can't move.
I didn't hear no magic word.